We're back to this statue. I want to point out this is the bus stop for the bus, the public bus that takes you to Butchart Gardens. If you were going to do that, you should watch our video on that. But this is where you pick up the bus. Yeah, see, Butchart Gardens. You should go earlier than this. It's like 1:30 now, and I think they close around 5 or 6. Sometimes when ships are in port, they stay open longer, and the bus ride is a little over an hour because it's a bus and it makes stops, picks people up, drops people off. And it's the Royal BC Museum with the protesters. Spaghetti. There's an old spaghetti factory. Oh, with the smell of marijuana. So here's the strikers, but this is like the totem park for the Royal BC Museum. See the totems up there? This is officially Douglas Street. We walked from the inner harbor past the Empress down to Douglas Street. This is all the Empress on this block. Now let's take in some totems and an old native house. I'm shooting right into the sun, aren't I? And that's a historical house, the yellow one with the white picket fence and the squirrel. A gray squirrel, looks like. See him? There's the house. Now, back out to Douglas Street. So, here's Beacon Hill Park. Remember the Empress and the BC Museum were just a block down that road. That road being Douglas. They've got some old equipment in there. But it's a beautiful park. And it's very green right now. I don't know if you watch it on TV, but there's South Park School. Probably not the same one. But we're gonna wind up into the park here. We're still on Douglas now. There's Douglas Street. As soon as you get out of the green area, it's brown and rocky. But there's more park to be had. It's a big, big park. I gotta read. Broken glass everywhere. There, see? Residential over there. Craigdurich Castle is over there. Let's get back down into the green area. So the interior of the park. Oh, a little baby lizard. See it? It's dry and rocky. And then down in there is the green grass. And there's lakes and ponds and even a petting zoo, I think, in here. Not up here. This is natural. They don't water up here. And since it's the end of summer, everything's brown. Right up there is the dry, rocky area. And now we're back to the green area. Sort of. Look at these. And one of the lakes or ponds, whatever you want to call it. with a little fountain. And ducks. Oh, look at that. Look at the flowers. So we've come to the lily pads and see the log with a bunch of turtles and a duck. Some of these trees are really old and really big. Let's cross this bridge. There's Douglas Street out there. Apartments. Residential. And this is called the Stone Bridge. Constructed in 1889. There's a little building there, advertising stuff, or telling the history. Janet says, look at the peacock. And it looks like people have plucked its tail feathers. So now we're in the forest. Of course, the pond, lake is over there. We're going to head back to Douglas, back to the ship. Dog not permitted in area shown below. Oh, look at all the ducks. That's what we heard. Or we heard just one anyway. Oh, look at the duck footprints. Well, they've made a mess of this. I wonder if the ducks like to get under the waterfall. Right? All the ducks were down there in the pond. We're in the forest and we've come across people. The people of the forest. Look at that tree.
Deck 3 can't go wrong. Deck 3, hopefully.
You could sit there.
I think they do shows there. There's seating, stage. There's another pond. More peacocks. Or peahens. See them there? I think this is the area that said no dogs. But I can't be right about that. I mean, so he's got one tail feather left. And that's a peahen. And that's a peahen, and that's a peacock, and that's a peahen. And there's a white one, albino, or its baby. And he's got no tail feathers left. So I don't know if people come here and pick them. You know, pluck them. So there's a giant watering can. And I guess somebody's left that hat behind. There's Beacon Hill Park. Of course, Janet. More peacocks. And Douglas Street. And the Circle Drive entrance and the children's farm. Yeah. But the ship is that way. So we're going to go that way. Here's Beacon Hill Park. And this is the Beacon Drive-In. Slushies, $4. And it has a small inside area. And we got fish and chips. It was 15, 16 Canadian. So about 12 US. And this is 120 Douglas, the Beacon Hill School. And it looks pretty old. Of course, that's Beacon Hill Park. But we're nearing the end. We're going to hit Dallas Road just a minute. So we've reached the end of Beacon Hill Park. This is where Douglas hits Dallas and where the geese have come. Goose eye view. Hey, the Terry Fox Run's coming up this weekend, it looks like. Run is coming up this weekend. And here's the Terry Fox statue. I believe in miracles. I believe in miracles. And this is the mile zero marker. Victoria, BC. From the Auto Club, Canadian Auto Club. So this is the end of the Trans-Canada Highway, or the beginning. I guess if it's zero, it's the beginning, right? And that's the road that takes us back to the ship.